Hey everybody, welcome back to Barbecue by Biggs. I'm Aaron and today we're working with the RV Works Cajun Fryer. We took some pulled pork that we had left over the other day, add some more fixings, and we're gonna make some egg rolls. So stay tuned.
All right, everybody, welcome back. So we got some pulled pork from September that we did here that we vacuum sealed and put in the freezer. We just thawed it out. Now we're going to pull it apart and just chop it into manageable pieces. We're going to add these chopped pieces into a frying pan and then put it on medium heat to bring it up to temperature. In the meantime, we're going to get the rest of the ingredients together to make these egg rolls. Now we're going to fry these on an RV Works Cajun Fryer. You can fry these in anything that you have, a cast iron skillet, Dutch oven, or even that fish fryer that you have out in the garage. So we went to Kroger and just grabbed some coleslaw. It's pre-mixed, has cabbage, carrots, a couple other things in it. Cost about $1.59, and we're just going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Any kind of soy sauce will work, even the sweet soy sauce. And then an optional ingredient that we added is just 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. If you don't have any sesame oil, don't worry, you don't have to have it. It just gives it a little bit different Asian taste when you do add it. So we got these few ingredients in here, and we're just going to take a couple of tongs and toss it. And then we're going to add the warm pulled pork to the mix, and we're going to toss it as well. There's just a few ingredients to making these pulled pork egg rolls. It is very easy to do, and I'll tell you, these are some of the best egg rolls that you'll ever put in your mouth. So we got these mixed up real well. We'll get ready to make the egg rolls. So again, we picked up these egg roll wrappers at our local Kroger. You can get them at just about any grocery store. They're just a couple of dollars, and you're going to take 2 heaping spoonfuls of that mix that we made earlier, and you're going to put it right in the middle. Now, as you can tell, the egg roll wrapper is in a diamond shape. You want it in that diamond shape to make it easier to roll up. We got a little bit of water here. We're going to take the water and you're just going to take it around the edges so when you do wrap it, it does seal together and it doesn't fall apart when you start to fry it. So we're going to start with the ends. We're going to fold the ends up, and the end closest to you, fold it over, and then just push down on the backside and roll. And there you have it. Egg roll ready to be fried. Having that water on the edges makes it seal and it makes it easier to fry.
All right, we got this fryer at 350 degrees. These should take about 6 to 7 minutes, and we'll kind of flip them around once they're in there. So we'll get them dropped in here and get them going here. You notice that the fryer is actually off now. This thing holds heat so well that you can get it to temperature, and you can usually get your frying done without even having to start it back up. Now, if you have a lot of frying to do, you might have to, but it holds the heat real well, so we shouldn't have to kick this back up in the 7 minutes that we're doing it. So we'll let these go for about 3 minutes on each side, and then we'll flip them over. All right, we've got them rotated in place here, and they've been on for about 6.5 minutes. Looks like they're done. So we'll just let them drain a little bit. Get you in for a closer look here. All right, so we're drained off. We'll get them off and get them into this pan. Just got a cooling rack with some paper towel underneath it, let them drain. The best thing to do for draining any kind of fried food is to make sure that you put it on a cooling rack or some sort of elevated rack. Don't go directly to the paper towel because it'll get really greasy. This is the best way to do it to get the best results. So that's 10 of them down. We got 6 of them to go. So this batch that we made is 16 egg rolls, and we'll get these other few down and bring you back. All right, let's give these pulled pork egg rolls a try. Man, I'm excited to taste these things. They look so good. Let's give it a taste. Man, that is good. Packed full of stuff. Pulled pork, cabbage. Got a little bit of that sesame oil. You can taste it. Man. If you got some pulled pork in the freezer, you guys ought to give this a try. Kroger, regular grocery store, had the wrappers. They were about $1.59. The innards were about $2, so for $3 plus your pulled pork, you can have 16 of these. Give them a shot. Hope nobody else wants any.